Kofi Jumah be wu ompem on ka nokure enkwara Kofi Jumah ase o mabrabo Kumase asantememu enya binie. Until when Kofi Jumah is arrested by the police, why should it be a problem for some people to say Kofi Jumah e penyini? Kofi Jumah jimi way. Before election 2024, I spoke on Kofi Jumah the way he was running GIHOC. Kofi Jumah for over 3 years no run office da. Or the kwasi ati Kumase no ri yie. Onya ni esiriba kakra na ne nase tataya ni akoto edura brand no anom. Onya feti pe no akodi ma. Why is the police dog? Bebe kan Kofi Jumah asem ha. Madam for journalist bi text no. Okache di panso on kan kire me say. Onu Kofi Jumah enye nanim na da ballot no so nti emfa kwasi anko. Asiampanyi we. Nanim tum nanim pinka. Team. Okay, I have about 15 minutes. Now, this story too is very important. Now, apprenticeship program, no, and the NDC are buying Akasa. Mr. P, Mr. S, are we good on TV? Yes, it say, Nipa Oda, National Youth Authority, NYE. Or say, persons with disability or disabilities to gain automatic selection in first 10,000 beneficiaries of the National Apprenticeship Program. Sa National Apprenticeship Program MPP NDC aban ediaba a sebio obi pese aban boano na osia insanu Jumah. It does not matter where you are. O find it NYA office bia say obeso kwa welder na unim obi a oye master wo area ho a aban betune naka na aban a enroll na aban de wama sa welder no na welder no ene akire wodwuma eba ehun sikasem ne ade a welder no one aban ne beka sa entrepreneurship program we e cover insanu dwuma bebre tailoring, it cover carpentry, it cover welding, painting, it cover anything art, it covers engineering, it covers a lot. It's about skill. And Abine say sa eye dwumadi omodia be ya ebeboa Ghana mbebunu ene omo omankasa esua omonsa ne dwuma no omo say yenuanom a omo ho aka a from people with disability. Yenuanom a sebio obo a ye wo 99 ni wo obi so a ebia akwanhia na obenya ya ebia wedi dem yenuanom a omodi dem no aban se omo se sa amanfo no emu nipa ebeye 10,000 omo de so omo gitum se be pese be kosua de pam se nipa sebio omo ho nkaye enum ba sa nipa ba akora ne ho aka ne obedi eba bedi line enim agya omo ho nkaye no aban se omo ho aka so omo gitum se omo pese apprenticeship program no omo de omo ho gima aban no ebe omo priority omo na aban bedi nkan hwe omo ansa ne ahwe Ghana fo a omo ho nkaye we eye aban a edwene obia ho. This is a government that is looking out for every single person. This is a government they don't want to leave anybody behind, and I support this 100 or 1,000%. People with disability, mamika bibinchiro abrochi kura ya abrochi. There are people with disability, they are still fighting for their rights. They are still fighting for some very fundamental things. Ewa abrabom, ewa abrochi. Abrochi, people with disability, every single day, they are still fighting for some things to be done for them. Until a country like Ghana, a third world country, that's Abani say, obey entrepreneurship program in Sanu Jumah na sebio omo di dem na omo the first priority omo na sebio senipa edu ewura YEA office na edu no emu nkono omo ho nkaye omo nan wo ho omo nsa wo ho omo giregira omo na so na nipa ba akokora ka omo na ne ho aka ana wedi dem a aban no ebehwe sa nipa no ansa na omo moto aso no mahwebo unim what this means to a government or a country. Do you as a Ghanaian, do you know what this means? The government or a chrono people with disability, the prerogative, they are making them a priority. They are putting them ahead. They are giving them that hand now. For years. The number of years we have neglected people with disability. Yes, sit down, our Ghana cry, young consider Sebio, Yenuanuma, Omwedi them. Ye see court dying, ye see a abine dying, ye even ye see school cry, ye boo majority of the time, ye consider omo. This is a government aba. It is considering, and the menoka say people with disability, oko a tertiary institution, a abine dia a free. This is a government that is doing something extraordinary. And I'm going to say apprenticeship program. So obi edi dema aban say obefa sa nipa no ansa na wafa nipa sebio ne wosisi ne ho so. This is a big deal. This is a big deal. Yeti krom ha na MPP ye nuanom a omodi dem a na omotete te to boot ano a na coins kakra ye di tu omoka bosome amo akwanta kwasiampanyi ebubu to boot ni nyina eka omugu fie. Ye nuanom no ekọ eye amo akwanta ho se omokoje omo salary ye bo omo se nkwara. I have the video. I've played it for you to see before. But aban papa ba aban na aba no ye nuanom omo ho aka ye nuanom asebio omo ho adi dem no omo na aban na eyo edi omo eto ne niso so obeboa omo. This is a big step. This is a big leap. This is something we should not underestimate. When you dey bia say ye tena ka say we the NDC na ye, this is a huge burden the government is lifting. Ya wa wofo bebra sebio oma anwo se omomba embe burden na bia yare nti ebia akwanhie nti ebia bibi nti obi abeye burden abeda na busuafo so ebia bibi nti obi wo ha yare bia na nka sebio on expect se bebo no and abo no ema otene maame ne papa so obi wo ha nya the fault aban na epe a way to make sure say sa nipa we so oma ye engage sebio oma nya adwuma kakra ya ma sika abo mu nsem oma nya nsanu dwuma. The government is taking burden oyi adeswa efri awofo bia sebio omumma omunuanom omabusuafo bi abeye den abeye burden ewo mo so. This is not something you joke with. NPP time amwakwata ka kire Ghana for say to boot na ye nuanom na omo aka etete ano jejeje to sika no okaso de beye bathroom murefi okaso mu mpiem frim omunko sestra de wa bontene na to boot no mtitim no obedane no into washrooms ne antikrom ha. MPP Kofi Jumah kwasiampanyi ne MPP. This is the MPP and they are Ghana omunko asiafo so more rich ideas. Amafo bi so they are rich. This is the same stupid people. Less than 6 months ago, we were living with them. These are the words they use. Omo kachire say, ye nuanom omo ho aka, omo di dem no, na omo gigi to boot sika no. Sa nkwasiafo MPP we kachom say, omo free to boot no, na omo bedane ne washroom adwonsobia. And NDC aban aba, ema NDC aban say, sa nipa no, omo ye nipa maye, omo ye nuanom, e wo say ye ma omo eden, ade a omo adwuma so a, omo benya nsa no dwuma omo bebo omo bra. Na umpe we ope kwasiampanyi bi party e friend MPP. Yeti Ghana enkwasiasam nko a ye sori a ye nka no kre ene ama nkwasiafo bi hyehyehye panyini di akire wenyini we de ti kwabo we de ohun se wenyini ohun se ne ho otan ade na wo kase nanim panyini a wejimi. So I support this initiative by the government. The YEA should move on and make sure people with disability, about 30% of the slots, they should make them a priority. We should create job opportunities for these people. We should let them know, say, Abai Ghana, so yenja omwechi. We believe in them. We also want them to help us build this nation. We want to build them with us. So the government should make people with disability a priority. And the way the government has started, I really support the government in the direction it's taking, our brothers and sisters. Into where you are buying part, Sebio, Uye nipa na unwaka wa Ghana. Na ebia oka people with disability one. This is the time you need to talk to your friends, your loved ones, and say, Aban way, I will see a keeping on. Because 2028, so ututi Aban way ya, kwasi afone ba, omeka chira musel, munko sesra dia okwahu. MPP kwasi afone ba, di omni ya mu 2024, omo pamu munianum every tobu tum say omo de ba bathroom no omo ka kire mu nyina say munya Ghana fo monko abonten ko sesrade moma ye nyina yen support the aban ye no na ye nyina ye ntumi kikire man no enu ntina de bia metia Ghana CNN enu ntina metia senia ye nuanom omo ho aka so omo ho beto omo very important say ye de betu etrim. Now okay Mr. P, Mr. S, let's enter the wagon. This say ya chikokuo we. Yachi eye akoya friend Kofi Jumah, and I'm surprised that Ghanaians are discussing Kofi Jumah. And then we will say in Kotoye a show be about Kofi Jumah. Kofi Jumah is one of the most despicable fools in Ghana. Kofi Jumah, ope Ghana penifo ni bi o Jimmy pa untumi yi 10 abra unji Kofi Jumah. Yeka Ghana penifo a yeka say Ghana penini we dey with Jimmy. Uyi 5 na Kofi Jumah kan wana unye Jumah papa. Yeka one of the most careless people in Ghana, they talk carelessly. Kofi Jumah okasa say preku. Kofi Jumah okasa say preku. Kofi Jumah is nobody any Ghanaian should see as a role model. We are not supposed to see Kofi Jumah as an old fool we will take anything from. We are going to learn anything from. That guy is a despicable disease. And yes, police for Kofi Jumah, meti yasi amani bail. Or no office na or show GIHOC no. GIHOC na NDC ba ebeye ni ye. Eye hanatetemo ebetena ho e buildi GIHOC ye or den kwasi ebetena ho. Kofi Jumah tena TV so ka say or no de wenya ace or best spread makumaso for ma. Metna so many times in 2024, I spoke about Kofi Jumah. Papa we Jimmy and or share bibi a friend where they were nini, where they nanasi tatai, where they are yarefo. Kofi Jumah Jimmy we Jimmy and Chen Kufuado. So today I Kofi Jumah ni amani bill. So we are buying cars me and sa. Media I was saying money demu. Kofi Jumah ni pabia. I was see a Ghana man occupy space for Ghana. I was saying muchini share money demu no we Jimmy. Now we headed to me to a Kufuado afu because ne ba ware Kufuado. Kofi Jumah nyo obi a ose anke tena Ghana. Ne yeso so Kofi Jumah so ana na nke ndi amochi na nkosom de kokoti ne ya oyeri. Kofi Jumah enye nipa bi a waye bibia abo Ghana. Yeti krom ha. Kofi Jumah ni nipa bonesem o start na santimemu. Kofi Jumah kromfo we o start ni nipa bonesem wa santimemu. Kofi Jumah ka cha santifo se Obama Street nyina name sika otwato asantefo so enye ne go back and check. Kofo time Kofi Jumah ka say wako bibia e friend abrochire America wati Boulevard na asantefo te Santas ni atro Santas Boulevard eye ofokro Boulevard kwasampa yiwe ono na se wa start street name ni Okumase otumi ko gina baby okodi oba bi achi na ono oba ne koda wie na eche na o se area ha ekuya Gift Boulevard ode nkwasiade na otwa budget Kofi Jumah sa kwa we ni wanwia na ebo no obewu na abo 430 Kofi Jumah bewu ompam onka no kure enkwara Kofi Jumah ase o mabra abo Okumase asantememu enya binie until when Kofi Jumah is arrested by the police. Why should it be a problem for some people to say Kofi Jumah e penyini? Kofi Jumah jimi way. Before election 2024, I spoke on Kofi Jumah, the way he was running GIHOC. Kofi Jumah for over 3 years, no run office da. Or the Nekwasi ati Kumasi no di ye. Onya ni siniba kakra, na ne nasa tataya, ni akoto drabra no anom. Onya feti peno akodi ma. Why is the police dog? Mebeke Kofi Jumah samwa ha, madam for journalist bi text no. O kache ni panso on kanchira me say, onu Kofi Jumah enye ne nim ne da ballot no so nti emfa kwasi anko. Kwasi ampanyi we. Nenim tum, nenim pinka. Kofi Jumah nenim pinka se wo menses e no nam Ghana ne ho tan ne ho tan e no nam Ghana e ne yeso so nkwasiafo we so o start ball kro no enye ne Kofi Jumah ende wakọ wi abanka ne ache na amanfo bi to e na ade ne machi Kofi Jumah nkwasiasem o start ne Ghana o start ne Okumase me see MPP for person mu di nkwasiasem o start ne menhia. Because omunim say omudi nkwasese mo menhia asantifo ni bibe protect omo enne na de bia make cha asantifo say enimtia MPP di bu eye asantiman no omo start no menhia enne ti de say MPP embo adwuma asantimemu a na omo akọhye menhia chi ye ya de hye na po Jimmy Fowe ye tumi suso na po so me vice president abra ye nim say enkoyi Kofi Jumah nkwasiade a wadi no Ghana at a point otumi gina GIHOC workers enim. All right. Otumi gina GIHOC workers enim. Ai so ontumi ne menda and you leave and me the be show boy and me mbada ba hat kwase nipa mu kwasia. Me Kofi Jumah mu say me hu mu say respectable impenifuo ewurate Yakopon. Me Kofi Jumah me hu ne say oya boa bi ma me Kofi Jumah ombu Ghana fo. And ye ne yasoso ne so ye ti Kumasi yasoso Kofi Jumah so. Yasoso Kofi Jumah mo ma mefo amuti Kumase munim Kofi Jumah jantra oba ode nkwara adeda munim yensi entumagu paw entumagu abontene yensi entuma fi wa abontene ana Kofi Jumah de Jimmy saa de bedru nne munyina munim Kofi Jumah history chairman munyina munim embra me ye Kofi Jumah scandal wasa kwasi ampanyi we o sai GIHOC otifie and oji sika and we create committee and omu wie sika. We should stop this guy. I did a whole scandal on Kofi Jumah. Kwasi we ko GIHOC unim de okan ma me bon kire Jimmy fu anim tan we ne wo fun tan na yeso so mo so Ghana akwa we me ye ne scandal we de okogina GIHOC kan ni
Yes, that's what Kofi Jumah for Oba. Make a man who just go to hell. Oh, please. Meaning, yes, I hypocrisy, no. And I make a job said, this is no. Oh, this is a master of Kofi Jumah. My country, baby, I can bribe or so. Hey, come and my dear. That's how I was. But first, Cabra, why you want to be that? Anything you try to have is suck. Because yeah, people are Canadian. There's the many. If it's a many baby, I have a patch and we are. It was the Madam Crumbia. And that is the attitude. Give up for me.
Champagne way a leader of GIHOC. Also on J bribe that every say or in the position no. Kofi Jumah ko abrochenko da jail da. Everything yakopon. Samaya whoever is going to head GIHOC, they need to make everybody reapply or GIHOC. Ajantra for us some GIHOC no. Sa MPP ajantra for us some GIHOC no. Me, I am going to try and find whoever is in charge of GIHOC. I am going to call the person personally and tell him, let every single person at GIHOC reapply. Nkwasiade Kofi Jumah ye wo GIHOC wo no ye ka kire wa ebe wanwa. Wey hwe ni age. Odi ogina nkora ni moka. Ade be chi na ne yiri de cha ko gina sore dem. Me kunu de o ma nkasa nanim ukunu banchi. Nanim tan se ye re koji opuro nkwan. Na nkwasiafo te Ghana and the Kofi Jumah ko wia Ghana. We wia Ghana aban kas miensa ye de ne ko hyema obi se won tie ase e na mbra bi kire se e ma Kofi Jumah kwasiampanyi Kofi Jumah ono we bie company bi ma obi akoye Jumah wo omu kasa by heart e de se de omo bibidi and so omo kasa company omu bie company pomfo ni pa Jumah na kwasia se ne nam Ghana ye so no so den a wanyini panyina wajimi mu so wajimi panyini a wajimi. There's nothing if you are calling ba nyansa. And it is only the MPP that will allow such a fool to head a very sensitive company or sensitive government institution like GIHOC. I didn't know Kofi Jumah ho a nyansa. Nipa fin say ya catch him say akwa weti GIHOC and odin kwasi asem na nipa bi defend Kofi Jumah. Be bi enu watra waka nyansa sam he nsam ni binie. Kwasi ampanyi weti ti Ghana yeso so kwasi asem to.
Me de no ya accident o.
Sese.
Enya accident.
Ene ye den.
Ede na me ko GIHOC.
Aha.
Accident bi na de ko pija me ko to GIHOC. But me ko no obi a nim se mo ba kwaro mo tun baby ma no. No onya didi. That was the intention. Enya de Ghana for tena say akwa we hear no skills ye de no ko ha oba ya de.
Ye to wo twene ho.
Na we free say GIHOC de wo na ke de ko akabo ebe yo de.
Na mpe GIHOC.
Na koko board de sane we wo ya minti ni di.
Enti ho na ope.
Ewari yakopon wo here de man ka wo.
Na se wo so de nyame.
Ego for de koko board ne to ne ma me ko GIHOC no. So ati say na me car, me MP car no. Eto mi si etimi free nkran e me duru aha. Nti na me de VIP MD no. Koko board ko he boss baby ote. Ne fleet of cars are available. And now I say ko he tough for ne wo mo keke ho.
Omu dide.
Of course. Ne dey business small post. Ghana koko be say so. Small post.
But it makes you a leader. Your leader, your ability to transform the place.
Me chese. Me can just say to me. But we be how you say do ko to e de pa.
Open therefore.
Adanka one em therefore. Wo to open there me e dey.
Na say open there.
E dey tira ho.
And I will call the
yes, a natural will be up. And
I'll call the din with me as a son.
These are the kinds of people I want to Ghana. Or say GIHOC near the coin, just accident in the good ho. Or GIHOC want to help you. This is the MPP. Yes, or Casado do Mofan got to GIHOC. Wona, me no me neutral taxes, edisha kwasi ampe you no. Or catch or say, hold the court to accident. Or maybe a sika crowd or Cassia could di. The perform tantan say. Yes, Kevin di penyina atam. Na saa penyifo say 50 e wo man mu e be no man akoso. Sa Jack Toronto say sa 50 and in Ghana. Mo fa go to Kumasi Zoo baby nko on Jack Toronto mo nkoda ho. Wey, mo fa go to Joe Black nchen e wo Kumasi Zoo. On don patro mu no mo ko tare dua ho. Hwe nkwasi asem obi na no ka. GIHOC ne ne ko to ye na ye tua ne ka ya ma ne ka. Ye tua ne ka chen teacher ni. GIHOC na o lead ni ye tua ne ka chen teacher ni. Ye tua ne ka chen police ni. Ye tua ne ka chen soldier ni. Ye tua ne ka chen nurse ni. Ye tua ne ka chen Ghana 90% of civil workers or see a accident keke kwasia entitlement. Omu ko school papa bia aboniefo ena ye de politics where do ya santini where do ya MPP ni o unim no Kofi Jumah hey na ye mayor kwasia mpanyi we oni na mu didim ade ni jimi ameduru ani ache na obi adwa Kofi Jumah ni preko difference be ni wo because preko we have to feed preko every day for preko no ndoro srade ye feed ya ko manado srade ye fan go to prison amodwa akwa kwasia mpanyi we ye feed no manado srade mo fan go to prison no owu a amanfo so omo ntiase adan a de odi ye Kofi Jumah no ye ntiase Kofi Jumah ne mfaso be na wono so Kofi Jumah nkwasiade a oyeye ye ntam Ghana sika man nkwada koko board ye mfa nkoto to na nanum kankan ne hu ace no onfa nkopɛ nkwara ho ɔse we di penyina atam wodu obi afɛ ni penyini ni obi a ɔdwene daache ɔdwene akwara a ɔnyɛ ne ba ho ɔdwene ɔman a ɛde ɛyɛdeɛn okunafo sika etua ne ka penyini ni obi a debia ɔte hɔ a ɔse deɛ na ɛde ama me amenye ne yie penyini ni obi a ɔkasa otum sɛ we deɛ yebetum de abɔbra kwase ampanyi we deɛ na wɔn ho yɛ penyini ana mo no monte penyini ase inti ama nipa bi di age mi wɔ Ghana ɛna yɛgya ɔmo nom di age enyini age keke ɛna ɔmo di jimi ɔmo wɔ Ghana na wo papa ni na nkɔte TV so keka sanko asan kebe wo de anka on ferry inti then because of politics inti obi to a defend odwan we me Kofi Jumah there is nothing about this guy bibia no Kofi Jumah betuma de aye a contributor ma Ghana biem at this point Kofi Jumah e dey ben pa no betum de aka Ghana ho a dirty fool like this or starting Kumasi and I'm the two asantifo trim hey MPP for Kofi Jumah mayor hey Kofi Jumah we name street me see ati kroma na Kofi Jumah be name street. He told you on radio he was not even qualified for the job. They just damned him there. Kofi Jumah Kache say he wasn't qualified for the job. They just damned him at GIHOC. Waton GIHOC properties worth 700,000 Ghana. Tete Ghana is $700,000. GIHOC, Ejapade. Let me show you. Mami hear GIHOC no. I need to find this video. Mr. B. GIHOC. Mami nche osibia NDC for John Mahama. Omone eye Hanatatemo sibia mo be change GIHOC. Ye wie de danima MPP. Kofi Jumah and them no ka say o free GIHOC no. GIHOC eye equipment ene eye dean eye properties eye GIHOC dia no. Waton almost $700,000. This is the GIHOC car. NDC for Jama Kofi Jumah kwasiawe.
Established in 1958, GIHOC Distilleries is the oldest distillery in West Africa. It is the sole surviving company from the GIHOC Group of industrial manufacturing companies set up by Ghana's first president. Located in the North Industrial Area of Ghana's capital, Accra, it has been manufacturing alcoholic beverage brands like Castlebridge, Herb Afrique, Mandingo Bitters, Takai, for over 50 years. Over the years, its fortunes began to dwindle, like many state-owned enterprises before it. A decision had to be taken about its future.
It was a company that was profitable, but it did have some major challenges at the time. And what was also very clear was that since the factory was constructed, no major expansion or rehabilitation had happened. And so they were really running with equipment that was quite obsolete. Now, the policy direction was to make sure that, to the extent that this was not a business that had been placed on divestiture, then it had to be run as a profitable concern. And so the challenge for the ministry was to see how best we could make that happen.
A decision was made to look for an able leader, somebody who can have what we call a corporate turnaround. So K. Simmons was brought on board.
In 2010, under the direction and leadership of a new board and management, GIHOC began to chart a new course.
GIHOC was, I think, the last of the many industries or factories that the late Dr. Kwame Nkrumah set up. They had all been divested, and we're not seeing anything. So we said, no, at least this one must survive. We were going to prove to government that state-owned enterprises can be run profitably. And that was the mandate we gave ourselves and the vision that we gave ourselves.
It quickly became evident that various production issues needed to be tackled.
My first impression was a very old, run-down factory, extremely dusty. There's a large, factory wall, perimeter wall, dirty, no branding, a lost opportunity. In terms of a corporate image, GIHOC then didn't have it. The factory floor, there were so many people working there, very noisy, and there was a kind of stench. You wonder, what was the stench? But I got to find out it was the drains right inside the factory floor, and also at the time they were using cook starch as labeling glue, and so they might cook it for about a week, and then obviously it starts smelling. So that was being used. I went to the bottle sorting area. It was really too small. It was a shed, and most of the bottles were out, and so people were working out, and not under the shed, but out, because the place was too small. And in terms of GMP, that's good manufacturing practice, really we didn't have it at all. There were broken bottles everywhere, and there were about 80 plus people, men, mainly women and men, washing bottles by hand, and it was just laborious.
But the one challenge that brought the greatest change emerged 4 months into the managing director's time at GIHOC.
I came in April, and around June, July, there was, it started raining. And because the factory paint and so on, the factory, but it was more than that, especially when I was told that this happens every year.
The scene was set, and the turnaround then began.
Foundation way above, slightly above the street level. We brought in panels, insulated panels from Dubai, and once that was done, the metal framework with the insulation panels just went on, and really within 4 months the factory was built. In the meantime, with the EDIF 5 million, we've managed to start purchasing some of our machinery and so on. And so once the factory was built and we had the tiling and so on, we started installing new or retooling some of the old machines to increase their capacity.
GIHOC Distilleries has always had the potential. In other words, it was in the board. That's I think in total we went for about 17 million.
Industrial development. Again, if you look at GIHOC, they have been trying to export. That again falls within our mandate because part of our mandate is to promote the earnings of 5 million Ghana cedis to them.
Right. So,
paid dividends.
On June 23, 2016, President John Dramani Mahama commissioned the new factory and was taken around to tour the new GIHOC. Undoubtedly, the leadership that has persevered to bring about this turnaround cannot be denied. It's available right here in Ghana. The question is, do we dare to find it, nurture it, and protect it?
Madam have tried a lot because when she came here, we don't have a lot of this. We are in a financial problem, but now she have tried. She have tried. Now things are moving on. We have new.
This is what NDC did in 2016 and handed over to Kwasi Ampenyiwe. They handed this whole thing to Kofi Jumah Kwasi Ampenyiwe. Where's this fool's face? They did all this job. John Mahama 2016. Hanata Temone, the manager of GIHOC, they handed it over to Kwasi Ampenyiwe. Menoka say Kofi Jumah ba office, the salary 25,000. He moved it to 40,000, 400 million every month. Na otnafie every Friday. Na yaya momo yaya momo abreno. Sa momo na omoye no. You see weekly allowance 40,000, 400 million old Ghana. Kwasia. Every Friday na yede alawa breno fie. And into a two no can kwasiasem na obi a defender na den we nyini oya santini Kofi Jumah de and I won't carry obey mayor and a kwasia we num kankan onam Ghana no we jimi no na ende ya china obi beso defend we say we ye penyini e de ne ma Kofi Jumah ye penyini. What makes him penyini a also ye ni to no so uyi preko ni Kofi Jumah emfa so be na Kofi Jumah so emfa so preko so. And we sit in Ghana, we always entertain foolish people. We always use age. Na kwasiebi nyini, na odi nyini, na ojimi, na o nyini, na ojimi. Kwasia no onyini, na ojimi, we nyini, na ojimi. Yanka no kure nchire di pano. Yes, we nyini, na onyini, na ojimi, na onyini, na ojimi. The same thing that Kofi Jumah. Odi 23 no ojimi. Oh, Kofi Jumah, we never know. Asantini, no Jimmy 28, no Jimmy. Kofi Jumah, or kind of bush was some more 30, Kofi Jumah, or the Jimmy sa, wabaya se, wabaya nana. O can any man among for bofu. Adea, where do you penny? Ninquara Beno started Jimmy ye, when free Jimmy no wabe drew her, while Bogana Chrono, he needs to rot in jail. Kofi Jumah, he needs to rot in jail. Onyini na ojimi, onyini na ojimi, onyini na ojimi. Where Jimmy and the abedu this point, and they yin twa obi so on tiasie. Masa yenko enim. Now, this is a very important step the government has taken. I am very, very happy about. And then when the MPP for Kofi Jumah no give 40,000 Ghana cedis every 5 days. Alawa. Yedu momo ni momo so near the abreno momo. Ni aye 40,000 amano kwasia onko adwuma na nim tum se brisie ne ho tan Kofi Jumah ne ho tan onko adwuma no tifie na 5 days above 40,000 amano ni pay 25,000 we move ko 40,000 50,000 kwasia mpanyi we na abuofunu o Ghana na echichire ma wana se echichire ma ye ho. Now, and the NDC government is taking a step in the right direction. I am very proud to see this today. Yes, sorry, I better say because recently, the president of the republic, John Dramani Mahama, can't say Michelle Ghana for say, plastics, and now plastic I use in Ghana no. I was see a pekwine be so now limited the amount of plastic Ghana using. Intenche be an president by announcement say abano edin hihye bi beto a ebeboa ama Ghana fo ye taste any akona ewo plastic use mu a say environment and the oko Ghana beach bia plastic say no and the Ghana upe baby kwa ye efu a unya plastic ase no ye use plastic ama on mine ankasa no ensase a eye papa pa obetibe use no galamsey ase no and a plastic so ase no enti endis aban we buy no they wanted a way a yeni timamufo no we can help ye taste for plastic use no ye betuma manaba form kakra and they sorry the abetin say eye plastic a sebio ye ne dodo Ghana plastic bag plastic chair and the plastic chair a bupe you may be a fanto they jato ayasasene so na eno so it taking years upon years ansana sa plastic no ade anane over 40 years ansana plastic bag kura anane wasasene ase enane so a enya se enane abo asase no enane ase asase no now you're sorry no prices of locally manufactured plastic products to increase by 7% effective tomorrow 1st July due to implementation of 5% excise tax. It is in the right direction. The only way Ebema Ghana for akona ye plastic muno ebekon say e was say abana tax plastic no. Sa abana de eye etwoto plastic ne so a eye nipa dodo na ye hu plastic ye use plastic anyhow no ebema ye taste no any sibia ye use plastic na ebeko form oba America as anatie. Me I buy most of my things from the Trader Joe's. Now, when you go to Trader Joe's, mo America, mo shop your better places, no. America chroma etino. Abaning him say, so sorry no bekacha America ni say, wo do not use plastic. American ni beka say I know my rights. So American president and abano sorry bekacha American ni say we want to protect the environment. We want to protect the unborn generation. American ni beka kwota say I know my right. I will not understand. So what the American government say the American government you know or the taxes out of plastic so and yeka plastic a plastic bag this plastic chest ade bia de rubber yebiano and the America no ne bo no sebio e wosoro. Now your alternative to plastics. So one to plastic bag or better paper bag. Now, when you pick paper bag and plastic bag, the bois environment no a paper bag. In America, buy no am a paper bag na ya full. By plastic bag and the boarding. Internet oko supermarket to America. Any Asian countries, baby abekobiano. Companies be okrampa, they don't give plastic bags. Supermarkets in okrampa, they don't even issue more plastic bags. So per plastic bag also turn a boarding. But some majority of the companies and as a supermarket, you know, say open plastic bagger, open shopping bagger, they'll give you paper bag for free. John Mahama a week ago catch a Ghana for say the issue with plastic or Ghana, I see a per crime so near limited the importation of plastic and even the manufacturing of plastic or Ghana. Near the alternative, which is using paper, any other things that will not degrade the soil. This is what John Mahama said a few weeks ago. Into this decision by the government today is a decision if you want the environment to be protected, if you want us to get rid of a lot of plastics in the system, and the Oko Ghana beaches cry unya baby ponyare and the Onam Ghana plastic aji baby afana. This is the way to go. The president actually spoke about it before, and then the Abayamra is something we must support.
One of the other things we intend to do is to ban styrofoam as a food packaging material. One of the most pernicious polluters is styrofoam plastic. When you go to buy your food and they put it in that white plastic something, you know, and then you finish eating, you just dump it. That is one of the biggest polluters. And so we're going to ban the importation of styrofoam plastics. We have to use paper packaging or aluminum foil for packaging our food. And so I'm informing the manufacturers and importers of styrofoam with the Ministry of Environment. Soon we're going to ban the importation of styrofoam and production of styrofoam in Ghana. Our food packaging will be made from paper and also from aluminum material. Fellow Ghanaians, the journey from landfill, fellow Ghanaians, it sounds very familiar, yeah? But that's what they see my...
And our president in the kind a few weeks ago, I say, styrofoam, Sa okoto indomie, okoto fried rice, na sa paper white bi na a box white na de ni nyina ese asase no. Any sa plastic bags, plastic caps, ne sa nyoma ni nyina no. Abani di nkan say oba wo sisi abeka cho say men use plastic bag a onti ase hey Jumah Hama mpa asem ye be dwaye nufu ye be demonstration ye be twe to ase say Jumah Hama ba santime beka say hey plastic na ye use no kenye tia bebrebe no sense ase ma ye nsase ne say ekowura asase ne mu a entumi ma asase no enya ahoden etumi sense entumi nyefuo na sisi ye gatas wo Ghana ope one thing a gatas sewage and drainages e wo Ghana pa plastic and a blocky 90% of gutters apart from soil and I say ahwia na ebogu gutters no because your gutters no ye ntumi silini ye inti ahwia na one channel and a gum gutters majority of them is but open another contributing factor to drainages are a block of Ghana plastic inti floods na ekoso wo enkran na enkofo bia ye omoni se mponcheni a yeti omu baby na omosia kese na omoni se de ye de omukwaji sobolo no sankwasi from di ba omiechi no. These are the things they need to advocate. These are the things they need to push, that we need to ban the use of plastics in Ghana. Things like paper, aluminium foil, sanyoma no sebio ensay ensase no eno eboa emetumi chichire man no ema ekuafo nya problem eno ensi gates. Inti right now no abane decision ni say yato plastics mu sa wo pa akoto the more moto no yebesa tumu more until see bedu that point Ghana for be hu say paper ehun onfa so che plastic. Ghana for be hu say aluminium foil ehun onfa so che plastic. Inti this is how it's supposed to be done. You see, we are in a modern world where a government needs to think. A government needs to be proactive. A government needs to be on its feet. Think ahead of its citizenry and bring the citizenry along when it comes to building a nation. And this is the first way. The first move the government has made is the best. Because majority of the beaches in Ghana won't mean obeko plastics and Asia. This is the time me pese abano as time goes on. Se sa increment we and taxes that plastic so no se yanje antum na yeda ho ye plastica abano santum. It will get to a point and oko America supermarket and media shop at Trader Joe's. I'll tell you. Omomoko lower markets no uduwa ye ton bag no 5 cents. It is over to bag na to open paper bag na free. It is only nyansa you just take the paper bag and move. Me go Trader Joe's a paper bag and the mommy. How many paper bags I want, they'll give me. I cannot insist on plastic because they don't give out plastic bags. And that is where we have to head. Now, for Ghana, no, this is the avenue you have to start looking. Munko be paper factories in Ghana and manufacture paper bags. Senebeya, companies and people who go out to shop no, will be buying these paper bags from you because this is everlasting. So you're switching to paper bags and using paper and foil to replace air plastica. It is going to be an everlasting production or money-making venture. Into we a young businessman, we a young Ghanaian. That's all per se who venture into this kind of business. This is the time. Having a paper bag company is not big. It's not difficult to do. There are people who even are able to. Paper bag is just glue and paper. You just need strong paper. You use glue, and when you get the right people to build it, and no, you are in business. You will get a fried rice. They will buy from you locally in Tubetma Mantem community. Now we have paper bag no, and then say we have 500. We have fried rice on away. The ton fried rice say, boss, we have tono bakubia otono ebia 2 cities. Oh, mami way, yes, oton ediane on a ton wache, or the tobacco 1 city. That is what you do. Oton pack. Community-wise, young people, entrepreneurship, YEA. This is another avenue that you should create opportunities in conformity to my investing in. The young people in Ghana, we need to go into paper production. We need to go into investing in paper area production. Send a bet to me use the papers as an alternative. Now, plastic inflow. Packaging, any other day, paper is important. Intermediate ubusamia, metia brochire meni ebie, menya kwasia, me pesa Ghana kwaso. Bebesi plastics in Ghana. So I support the government 5% excise tax on plastics in Ghana. Say Ghana for continue to use plastics. Moma ye moving 10% excise tax. Let us keep moving the tax up until Ghana for will get to that point where they would decide not to use plastics. And then you bet my sa I make sure say so this is a good move by the government. I appreciate this, Mr. President and government of Ghana.